important are rapid diagnostic tests in reality?
The reason why we are introducing RDTs is that we realize that not all providers have access to microscopy, which is the gold standard for diagnosis of malaria. Yes. So we've introduced rapid diagnostic test kits, which ensure that one can do a simple test for malaria and have the results within 20 minutes.
And would you just tell me a little bit about this project that's going on at the coast at the moment?
So this is a pilot project in the coast on diagnosis of malaria in the private sector. So we are working with 300 private sector providers and pharmacists as well to make sure that they diagnose malaria before treating it with the malaria rapid diagnostic test kits. In Kenya, over the past decade, we've had a dramatic decline in the incidence of malaria in this country. And the previous policy was that all cases of fever were treated as malaria. But this is not the case anymore. And the World Health Organization, the WHO, has changed the policy so that in 2010, so that all cases of fever must be tested first before being treated for malaria or any other condition. And the Ministry of Health in Kenya as well changed their policy to reflect these changes as well with the WHO.
Will rapid diagnostic tests revolutionize malaria treatment in Kenya and in Africa and the world?
Absolutely, absolutely. Before, malaria was just, it was just presumptive treatment of malaria, but this is not really the case. So if all cases of fever are first diagnosed and then those that only have malaria then are given anti-malarial drugs, then it means that there's a huge avenue to ensure that all other cases are properly treated. And so people will be getting the best treatment. But in addition to this, it will lead to better targeting of resources for even other conditions. So we'll be better able to know what is the exact incidence of malaria cases that we have in this country, and this will help in better targeting of resources to where they're needed.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com